Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I just got my Boxyluxe boxycharm today. So let's join me and we're gonna do an unboxing for it. I'm so excited for the box, what's inside. So sumilan na natin guys. Actually inano ko na to, ang tawag dito, pinalan ko na to guys. Parang hindi hindi ko nagustuhan yung una kong film, so ulitin ko na lang. Nabuksan ko na siya kasi nga pinil ko na siya kanina. So hindi ko nagustuhan, no, ulitin natin guys. Ito yung box niya, yung yan, malaki. Ang laki niya guys sa ano, kumpara so yung regular every month na nare-receive kong box ng Boxycharm. Sobrang laki nito. Ito yung every month na nare-receive kong box, tapos ito yung ang laki. Yan. Oops. Ang laki guys. Yan. Yan yung comparison. Yan. Talagang sobrang laki talaga nito. So, umpisahan natin. First item, cover fix perfector face palette. Ito siya guys. Yan. Tapos pag binuksan mo siya, yan siya. Ganito itsura niya. Yan. Tapos yung pangalawa, Muda Brushes Powder and Soft Glow Kit. Ito yung brush guys. Ito yung box. Binuksan ko na siya. Ang ganda ng kulay ng brush. I love it. Yan yung kulay ng brush guys. Yan. Ito yung box. Second items. Tapos yung third items, Iconic Eyebrow Cushion. Oh, never heard of it. Iconic Eyebrow Cushion. Ito yung box niya guys. Yan. And then ito yung Iconic Eyebrow Cushion. Yan guys. Yan. And then, ang ganda ng ano niya. Ng packaging. Buksan natin guys. And ito yung sa loob. Ganyan siya. Tapos may spoolie tsaka may brush. Yan. Ito yung itsura niya guys. Ayan. Yan yung itsura na ano daw siya, eyebrow cushion. Kaya yun yung itsura niya. Tapos next items naman guys, Wonder Beauty Lift Soft. Next items is Wonder Beauty Lift Up Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. Ooh! Where is it? Oh, ito. Yan siya guys. Ang laki. Yung itsura niya. Yan. Next is the Lily Lashes. Ito guys yung itsura ng Lily Lashes. Yan. I'm excited. Even though I don't know how to put full lashes. But I'm excited to play with it. So next guys, it 8 Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. Ito yung box niya guys. Yan yung box niya. And then ito yung laman niya. Yan. Yan yung laman niya guys. Yan. Saka yan. Yan yung ano niya. Hindi ko na muna buksan kasi cream lang naman yan kasi. Next items guys is Becca Ultimate Lipstick Lab. Ito yung itsura niya. Ooh, I'm excited with this. Ang ganda ng packaging niya. And parang yung shade niya, Sea Cherry. Sea Cherry. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung ano niya. Ayan. Ayan yung naman niya. And then, pag binuksan natin, oh my god. So beautiful. I'm excited. It's very red. Like cherry. Ayan yung itsura niya. Ayan. Ang ganda. Ang bango. Ang bango niya. I'm excited with that. So next is Morphe 15 Shades Art latest 3 palette. Ito yung box niya, guys. Yan yung box niya. 15 shade daw siya. And then, ito yung eyeshadow. And then, pag binuksan natin siya, very pretty eyeshadow. Ayan yung itsura ng eyeshadow, guys. Ganda. Ooh, I'm excited! Even though I don't know how to blend eyeshadow, but I'm excited to play with it! Yay! Tapos next, guys, Deborah Lipman Odona and Modern Love. Never heard of it. But it's a nail polish. Ito yung box niya, guys. Yan. And then, ito yung laman niya, too. Ang ganda. I'm excited. Yan yung laman niya, guys. Yan. Tsaka ito yung isa. Yan yung isa, guys. I'm excited. Ang ganda ng kulay. Ganda ng kulay. I'm excited to. Next time, ito yung, yan yung gagamitin ko. Magpipaint ako ng nails sa next day off. So, next items, guys, is boxycharm train case. Ito siya, guys. Ang ganda. Ayan, oh. Ang ganda ng kulay. Tsaka malaki siya. Yan. Ang laki. Oh, love that they have boxycharm there and yun sa loob. Ang ganda ng kulay. Ang ganda. So, ito yung last. Alam mo, pwede mong ilagay dito. Malaki siya. Lagay natin lahat. Yan. Lagay natin lahat. Oh, ang fairness, kasya siya. So, I love it. I'm so excited for all these items that I got today from my Boxyluxe boxycharm. Yay! I'm so excited.
I cannot
So guys, that's it for my Boxyluxe boxycharm for this month of March. I'm so excited. There's so many. All of this is so cute. I'm so excited to play with it. I think that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye everyone. Bye.